Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install WinRAR on Windows operating system, and after that I am also going to show you how to compress some of your files using WinRAR. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here WinRAR download. So that will show you this winrar.com. So just go to their official site and here you will get download link for Windows. So just simply click on that and that's going to start downloading our WinRAR. You can see it is already started downloading and it is downloaded. So just simply click on that exe. You'll have to for administrative privileges, click on yes, and you can minimize your browser, and these are all license agreement. You must read this and click on install. So all files are at least selected, including RAR, zip, 7-zip and all that. So keep it default, and you can also check this add a WinRAR to desktop, and also in start menu and all other things you can keep it default and click on OK. So our WinRAR is rightly done. So click on done. So WinRAR is rightly installed. So now I'm going to give you a demo. So here you can see we have some videos over here on this demo video folder. So if I combine all this video, I can see the total file size is about 517 MB. So this is what we are going to compress. So just right click on it and you will get a WinRAR coming over here. So hover over WinRAR and just simply click on this add to demo video.rar. So when you start clicking, or when you click on that, you can see it is right, it started compressing, right? So compress ratio also you can see 65%, 67%, and it has about 15% processed. So wait for some time. So you can see that is rightly done. So here is our demo video.rar file, and you can see that our file size is now just only 375 MB. So our combined video size was 517 MB, but now just a RAR file has just 375 MB. So if we go inside this RAR file, so open it using RAR, you can see we have all these videos are present, but combined size of this RAR file is just 375 MB. And you can remove all these videos safely because you have a zip file or a RAR file which has already these videos, right? So with that you can save a lot of your space on your drive. So that's how you install RAR. If you are interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow this playlist. So all these videos are completely free on our channel along with the detailed source code. So do check out our other videos on our channel. So that is basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.